What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while, but anyway, I just uploaded a video called the worst place to eat Burmese food here in Singapore. Go check that out. And in this vlog, I'm gonna bring you guys to the best place to eat Burmese food in Singapore. One of the best places. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so before I actually bring you guys to the restaurant, I need to do a few things. I want to go and develop some of the film photos that I took during the recent trip, which is incredible. The vlogs are coming up soon. And then I need to go back to my restaurant to, do some food tasting with the client for an event. And then after that, I'll bring you guys to the restaurant. So yeah, let's go. So the film developing place that I'm going to is called Triple D. A friend recommended me that, and then yeah, ever since I've been going there. So yeah, it's quite near to my workplace. So that's why I choose this place every time. Film never die. I like that. Alright, done with the first task, and then yeah, walking back to my workplace. And we're back.
Then because you order pork fried rice, Sam, I didn't hear
Ginger lah.
at all.
Yeah. Yeah, almost. It's recording though. Nice, eh? Nice, eh? Alright, so the meeting took longer than expected, and yeah, I had some food and drinks with them, so I'm not sure if I can eat a lot at the restaurant itself, but yeah, I'm actually already walking towards it, about to reach there soon. Yeah, and I'll share more with you guys. Alright, so the place that I'm going is Peninsula Plaza, and if you're watching on this channel for long enough, you should know that I always love to eat here. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you the reason why you shouldn't eat at that fancy restaurant that I did a video about. And yeah, if you are looking for a proper Burmese food made by Burmese people, and yeah, proper taste, you should be eating at Peninsula Plaza. And most of the restaurants have really good quality food and real Burmese taste. So yeah, let's go. So the first thing you see when you come to Peninsula Plaza is this shoe shop called Butter. Yeah, used to wear them when I was in secondary school. Very cheap shoes and good quality shoes, but the design maybe a little not too good, but yeah, good quality and cheap. And you'll start seeing signs like this, Burmese writing, then you're at the right place. Okay, so once you go down from here, there are a couple of restaurants which I will not be eating today, but all of them are really, really good quality. Everything is ပေးပါချင်းကန်ဆက်လေးလည်းပဲဟုတ်ကျေးဇူးပါ Alright, let's go. Alright, okay, I'm actually doing this video so that, you know, I want to make it clear to everyone who watch the channel, and yeah, I just want to, you know, yeah, make another, you know, give another message to everyone who wants to try Burmese food, because, you know, clearly whatever that they're doing at that restaurant, you should go and check that video out. Is for me it's a little too, I mean for me it's just wrong, right? It doesn't taste anything like Burmese food, but they are putting up Burmese name on the menu, and they're not doing it properly, which you know, this is like the first time it pisses me off. I was actually hyped to go there to try out their dishes, you know, Burmese fine dining, but it was just terrible experience for me. Hence, I'm back at this kind of place to, you know, do it again. And I've eaten this dish for 1,000 times. I'll link up a lot of my older videos to it, because I've went through, you know, all the details, all the ingredients, everything about this dish in like a lot of my videos. So yeah, I will not go into too much detail, but these are just very simple ingredients, very simple noodle dish that we Burmese used to eat on a day-to-day basis. This is almost like our breakfast, lunch, dinner, where we can have it most of the time. So yeah, this is Nanji Do, by the way, rice noodle salad, and yeah, it's one of the best. And this costs like $6, and the one that we had in the restaurant, it was $38, and it was just too crazy. Yeah, maybe they will have more eggs, more fried stuff, more meat, but the taste is just wrong. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you guys want to try Burmese food, you will have to come to Peninsula Plaza, because yeah, there's no other place that does it well. There are a few places throughout Singapore where they are selling. I think one in Clementi, they have a pretty good Burmese food as well, also run by Burmese people. So yeah, I will do another vlog on this. Actually, this channel, I mean, visiting to this restaurant have, like, you know, opened up more ideas for me to do more, you know, Burmese food vlogs in Singapore. I know it sounds so strange, but yeah, it is what it is, and I have to do it, you know, because whatever that I ate back then, it was just terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the food, and then, you know, bring you guys, you know, share a little more with you guys about whatever that they do here. And yeah, I think someone just took a photo of me. Sorry, I got distracted, but yeah, gonna eat my food, and then yeah, bring you guys around this building. Yep, this is proper Burmese noodle for sure. I went a little too spicy with it, but god, this is good. This is worth the money. Good taste, $6. Nothing that is like $30 plus. So yeah, a little too spicy, but oh good. That's right. Spicy. And that's probably Google translated, not allowed outside foods. Oh, super spicy, super delicious. Whew. Oof, that was such a good meal. So that is Yayin Cafe here in Peninsula Plaza, level 3. And yeah, that is one of my favorite, Burmese cuisine restaurant. And yeah, just anywhere, man, anywhere. To be honest, I think even the worst Burmese restaurant here in Peninsula Plaza is so much better than the fine dining that I had in the previous vlog. So yeah, that's why, today I was just thinking, where should I go and eat? What should I do? And then that little piece of vlog, that little dinner was just bothering me. So yeah, came down here to shoot something, a little something for you guys. And there is also a ton of Burmese mini mart where you can get like a local tea, coffee, local snacks from Myanmar itself. So yeah, just come out here to Peninsula Plaza and then explore the mall, try out things. I think there are pretty amazing food out here for you guys to try. Just try something a little different. Some Burmese fried potato. Getting some Burmese, I would say this is like a dessert. It's like a sour plum, sweet sour plum, prune, apricot. And this is just one of the, guilty pleasure that I have. Ooh. This is like the similar dish that I had just now, but in an instant noodle form. I think I should give it a try. Alright, that is it guys. Pretty short vlog, pretty straightforward, but yeah, I think this is very much straight to the point. And yeah, that's my message. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.